Echodyne and Supernal Announce Strategic Agreement on Radar Solutions for AAM Safety by DroneLife staff writer AAM Crosby. Today, radar platform company Echodyne announced a strategic agreement with minority investment from Hyundai's AAM company, Supernal, currently developing an electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL vehicle. Supernal is aiming to launch commercial flights in 2028. Together, the partners will explore how best to utilize Echodyne's radars for the increased safety of Supernal's vehicle and its operations. Echodyne offers unique radar-based detection capabilities that Supernal can utilize in advanced air mobility development, said Supernal CDO Ben Diakun. Resilient and powerful radar aids airborne situational awareness to improve safety in the air. The agreement covers a broad range of the AAM ecosystem, spanning onboard systems for in-flight situational awareness to ground-based solutions for enhanced operational clarity in dense airspace, including vertiports, flight areas, and corridors. During airborne missions, the Echodyne radar will offer weather-resistant airspace monitoring for advanced vehicles such as Supernal's, with potential automated applications in the future. For ground-based operations, the radar will provide situational awareness data that supplements the airborne radar, further increasing safety. This collaboration will assist the AAM industry in reaching the highest aviation industry safety benchmarks. Supernal is reimagining airborne mobility with the same safety above all mentality we have here at Echodyne, said Echodyne CEO Eben Frankenberg. As their team continues to shape the future of the advanced air mobility market, we are pleased Supernal recognizes the value of radar as they track towards market entry. The AAM market is another long-term global market where we have a significant technology advantage, and this partnership demonstrates our intention to remain a significant contributor to airspace safety solutions across the industry. Echodyne sees the patronage of clients throughout the defense, national security, critical infrastructure protection, uncrewed aircraft systems, and advanced air mobility markets across the globe. Constructed with the use of its proprietary metamaterials electronic scanning array MESA-registered technology, Echodyne's commercial radars are designed and manufactured in the U.S. and available worldwide under U.S. Commerce Department export control regulations.